YouTube. Good morning, Instagram. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? We feeling good. We feeling good. We feeling good. Oh, November 29th. Fuck. It's crazy how fast time's going by. Good morning, my boy. Good to see you, man. Good to see you, my boy. Um, well, got onto the stream a little late today. Relatively missed the position. Pound yen had a very, very easy buy. Once it broke out of this little range here, this close of the 6 o'clock candle, oh man, talk about a sweet position right there. Yeah, can't do much about that now. So since we are late and I'm waiting, so Eiserman, maybe if you caught this play, man, good for you, bro. If you was already on the charts, that'd be fucking amazing. If not, we're just gonna be patient. Probably gonna look for this to retest the zone here, or I could even expect that this next candle starts closing bearish. If we close bearish, I can anticipate maybe price to start pushing back down, probably back down to 165.887 just on some safe side stuff. But if it closed bearish, we could anticipate price wants to reach 165.540 again. But we just we gotta just wait and see what happens. Gold. We're just kind of chilling for right now. 25 seconds. Yeah, definitely good to see you though, my boy Isaac, man. Definitely good to see you, bro. So I'm staying out of GJ personally right now. I just like to see how it forms, how it reacts, see what happens. That's why I haven't entered anything on that necessarily right now. Don't feel comfortable to. If this Kindle on GJ does end up pushing up, create, hey, good for it. I just don't feel the probability was that high, so I didn't enter. Ooh, gotta wake up. Gotta wake up. Gotta wake up. I don't know what time it is there in Bangladesh, but over here in the United States, it's early in the morning. Perfect. So this is starting to close bearish. We might make support here. If we make support here, I might end up buying support on gold. If we close bearish here, I might sell. So I'm just gonna stay all in speculation with what happens. But for right now, I am gonna be right back. I gotta use the restroom real quick, so I'll be right back, boys and girls. Man, anybody that's tapped in the stream, you guys kind of let the candles play out. Enjoy your guys' self. I will be right back. Good luck if y'all take any positions. Yeah, sorry about that, man. My motherfucking mic's been off there. So we were able to reduce the risk a bit there. Personally, should have just been more patient. Shouldn't have entered that position there. No worries though. I did enter impulsive buys, excuse me, impulsive sells. Uh, After it broke right here on this wick, I anticipated price with volume and momentum. We can at least reach about this level here at 1746.30, but clearly that did not end up happening. Yeah. I got it now. I appreciate it, bro. I didn't have no sound for the mic for a little bit. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, it was a little bit of silly play there. Should have just held the position, but no worries. So we do got 10 minutes up until candles close. So we will see. We will see. Yeah, and this is why it's important not to fucking skid up on impulsives, I guess. I mean, right here, if it does push, I mean, that'd be like, wow, bad timing, right? Because this is about the time I entered impulsive entries and ended up getting burnt. So, uh, at this point, yeah, I'm gonna just let it do its thing. You know, I don't mind seeing it push any further down, but I would like it to see relatively close, or close about right here. I would be a little disappointed, bro, if like as soon as you know, I entered impulsive entries, this shit doesn't work out, and now it starts pushing down. Like that would be a little frustrating. But it's trading, and it's how it is. Yeah, so price action trading, bro. Basically, we're just gonna be looking off of the candles here, best we can. Obviously, I have a resistance and supports, or supports and resistance be broken. How it affects whenever candles and higher highs and low or higher lows and lower highs, if those are being respected or broken. There's always you can tell how we can trade using those um indicators through price action, the way price is moving, the way price is breaking certain levels of price, which is very, very important. For instance, a very important level for us right now is 1751.54. Reason why that is so important is because it is the lower low of this candle, and we understand that if we can break past this candle, being in New York session, London session, you know, New York Open, New York Close, London Open, London Close. Those are all times that's got a lot of volume in the markets. So when there's a lot of volume in the markets, generally plays are going to have momentum behind them. So in a position like this, after we've broken right here, this could have some very good momentum. I'm looking to enter one more sell if the candle does end up closing like this. Um, I don't want it to extend all the way down here. We go all the way down here, candle close all the way down here. Just gonna stay out of it. If we can push back up and stay, below this orange box, below this support, I can go ahead and safely take a sell. It should have been something I waited for initially, but I entered on impulsive sells, and the impulsive sells did end up burning me. So, um, it is what it is, unfortunately. Um, it's almost bad timing because at this point, if I would have entered impulsive entries, I believe we would have already been 10 pips up. Yeah, so unfortunately, we would have been 10 pips up by now. Uh, yeah, bro. And if there's any other questions, bro, just always let me know. I might not be explaining things obviously the very very best, but I just want to explain it the best I can relatively to you. But yeah, if I was to explain price actions, basically stuff like that, I'm not gonna say it's just you know buying of supports and resistances and whatnot. I mean, it's all combination of a whole bunch of things. Whether if it's gonna respect the resistance, respect the support, if it could violate the support, violate the resistance, retracements, all these things all told through the candles. Things like Fibonacci's, what I'm saying? Those are all like I guess like tools. Those tools can be help you to see stuff like Fibonacci's and stuff like that. Or not Fibonacci's, but retracement plays. That's technically what it's called. So yeah, you know, I think I personally think is the best way to trade. So we got 2 minutes in the candle closing. We got both candles starting to close bearish here. I did mention that I was pretty interested in taking sales on pound yen, but I think I'm more interested at this point in taking sales on gold. I like where gold's at better. I think we have a better range on gold to make more profits, but yeah, I'm just a little disappointed in myself, man. I should have just easily just fucking a little disappointed in myself because I should have had better patience. It's tough, man, because either way, it could have been profitable if I did enter impulsively. I just think the time I entered impulsively, I guess, just bad timing. I just can't disagree. I guess it's just bad timing. Probably gonna make my stop loss a little tighter. Obviously, not the safest thing to do, but I am gonna do that. Gotta make sure this does close below the support. It's cutting it close. Well, pound yen's so far looking pretty fucking solid. I'm hoping gold can start reacting the same way, cause I'd be a little damned. I'd be like, wow, the pound yen look like it's playing out better. At this point, I'm kind of anticipating it's just trying to make a top wick at this point. This could be just a liquidity wick, and then we can start pushing down. It's almost pushing the exact same way it did last time, which is almost kind of a bummer. 85. Oof. Yep. At this point, we just got to close almost at 10 pips. I'm 50% at this point. 50% at this point, ladies and gentlemen. Please 50%. If you guys have entered this position, I don't want anybody to start risking any more unnecessary risk than I need to. Definitely a rough day today, boys and girls. My apologies. Definitely a rough day. So yeah, honestly, you hate to see it, but I mean, it is what it is. I don't know what can you do. Just gotta be better in these markets, man. That's what I gotta do. Yeah, honestly, buddy, I don't have no excuses on this, the zero whatsoever. I just gotta get better, man. Just gotta get better. I was a little disappointed because my first entry, I entered impulsively, and it kind of like went against us pretty fast on the position. It really kind of, it definitely sucked. I'm not gonna say it kind of sucked. It sucked really bad because the play actually ended up playing out really well on the impulsive entry, but I'd have had to take a second entry on it, and then I could have secured 10 pips. But you know, I expected with the candle to close below the support, it should have a pretty high chance. Yes, 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 exactly. I am a price action trader. So with it closing underneath the support, I was anticipating that we could get easily squeeze out of 10 pips, but clearly it looks like we're squeezing out of 10 pips in the other direction. So I'm glad I 50% the position obviously at that point because we are in a losing position, but stop loss is above the high of the candle. So if we can respect that, see if maybe we can reduce the loss. So hopefully we can kind of start pushing down now, but looks like we're starting to form a support. In terms of gold, not highly correlated with dollar. I have lots of trades on gold. Most of them are lost. Hey, I can't. Hey, it's a very tough pair to trade. Can't even lie. Um, is that gonna hinder me from stop wanting to trade it? No, I do love how volatile it is. It has great momentum, and I've had plenty of moments where gold has done me very well, but in moments like this, it's doing me a little bad right now. So, as best as we can just try and manage our loss. But we man positioned relatively well. At this point, it's looking like we're starting to come up to a stop loss. So, oh yeah, definitely looking like it's gonna hit the stop loss. So, took it out fully at that point. 1 to 2 trades, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of my trade, my trading session today at least. I will be back tomorrow. Um, but as of right now, we got burnt today. We did get burnt today. Tried to take some sales on gold. Each time got messed up. So now that we know, I gotta go back. I gotta study my mistakes. I gotta take a look. Taking a look at this right now, I can't say the impulsive entry was necessarily wrong. If I can go higher time frames, maybe. Hey, thank you so much, bro. I appreciate it so much, man. Very soon, man. Nothing but profitable positions on this stream. I will have that for everybody, man. I'm working super hard to make that happen for everybody, man. So thank you. Love from Bangladesh, man. Love from the United States, man. Take it easy, bro. Have a great day, man. Enjoy yourself. Have a great day. Work hard, baby. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, score a little bit of females. Yeah, make life a little bit better. But until then, boys and girls, my apology for the positions today. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Really looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Thank you, Aja, man. Have a great day yourself, buddy, and I will be seeing you guys very soon. Thank you so much.